Hello everyone, I welcome you to the episode number 4 of Understanding Profit and Loss by Disruption Learning. In this episode, we are going to solve some very basic questions that will help us understand or learn the application of the formulae or the equations which we have learned in the previous 3 videos. So, here we go. Now, the first question says that Tech Burner bought an old cell phone for rupees 4100, spent rupees 900 on its repairs, and sold the phone for rupees 6000. What is his profit or loss percentage? So, to calculate the profit or loss, we need both CP and SP. So, let's calculate the CP first. Now, the phone was bought for 4100. And 900 rupees were spent on it, which means that the total cost that the buyer had to incur on this phone was rupees 5000. Now we know the SP, which is 6000. So profit is 6000 minus 5000, which is 1000. So profit percentage, which has been asked, would be P by CP into 100, which is 1000 divided by 5000 into 100. So let's cancel these things and it would be somewhere around 20%, right? So simply 20% is the answer. Most basic question, very easy one. So I hope this was easy to understand. So let's move to the next question now. Now, by selling an article for rupees 350, Mr. Adani makes 40% profit. What is the cost of the article? So we have P percent, which is 40. We have the SP, which is 350. Now, if I somehow calculate the margin percentage from this P percent, it would be easy for me now. So if P percent is 40%, which is 2 by 5, margin percent would be 2 by 5 plus 2, which is 2 by 7. So the margin would be 350 into 2 by 7, right? And this would turn out to be 100. So now I know the SP, which is 350. I know the margin, which is 100. So CP would be SP minus the margin, which is 250 rupees. Another very easy question, probably the most easiest application of the formulas that we have learned, and I hope everyone knows how I get to the margin percentage from the profit percentage, right? So let's move to the next question now. Now, by selling 17 balls for rupees 120, a trader makes a loss equivalent to the cost price of 2 balls. What is the cost of 1 ball? So here we have, no direct figure, so let's see how we can solve it. So to get the loss, the formula is basically CP minus SP. We know that when CP is larger and SP is smaller, there would be loss. Now we know that loss is equal to CP of 2 balls, right? Cost price must be cost price of 17 balls, right? Okay. Minus selling price of 17 balls, right? Let us understand this equation. A trader has sold 17 balls, right? And he has made a loss equivalent to the cost price of 2 balls. So CP of 17 balls minus SP of 17 balls is equal to CP of 2 balls, right? Now I know that SP of 17 balls is 120. I can replace it here. Okay, this is 120. Now this means that if I solve this equation, this would turn out to be that SP of 17 balls is equal to CP of 17 balls minus CP of 2 balls, right? So this is 120, I know, and this would be CP of 15 balls if we solve the equation. So CP of 1 ball would be 120 by 15, which is 8 rupees. Again, a very simple question. I hope you get the equation. we have we have sold 17 balls for 120 and we have made a loss equivalent to cost price of 2 balls. So the loss figure will be CP of 17 balls minus SP of 17 balls, and that is CP of 2 balls. So once you get this equation, I think there is nothing much left in this question. So you can simply solve the equation and get your answer. And that is it for today's video. We have just got 3 basic questions. We have tried to keep the video shorter so that it becomes more convenient to watch. So that's it for today, and we'll meet in the next video. Goodbye.